It's surprising to see that nobody is actually talking about this. Now, what am I talking about? I'm talking about the mindset. Now, students who should be learning how they can achieve success are only learning the technical skills, and they are being brainwashed in the traditional sources by just saying that if you finish your degree, you're going to get a job. Is that really going to happen? Aren't you struggling with your jobs even after finishing your degree courses? I am sure you are if you are in the animation field, because I know that you are not learning the things which the industry wants. You are just learning the basics. And before even that, you haven't even trained your mind in the right way so that you can attract the opportunities. Because you are not getting a job, are you the one speaking again and again that I'm not getting a job, I'm not getting fee, I'm not getting paid, people are not hiring me? If you are going to talk like this, do you think anything positive is going to happen to you? It's not going to happen. So you need to correct your thinking. And this is what I teach to my students in the mentorship, that before even getting into animation, you need to first start thinking correctly so that whatever you learn in animation, that give you the maximum results. And if you are the one struggling with a job in animation, this is a call. Type mindset in the comment section and I will surely help you out to rewire your brain and actually start your first job in the animation field.